Imagine you want to visit a friend, you need directions to get there, right? Well, code is like giving directions to a computer. It's a language that tells computers what to do, step by step. Just like you use words to communicate with others, programmers use code to talk to computers. These instructions are written in programming languages, each with its own set of rules. Don't worry though, learning to code is like learning any new language. It just takes practice. Think of it this way, when you follow a recipe, you're actually using a simple form of code. Each instruction, like add 2 cups of flour, tells you exactly what to do. Similarly, code tells computers how to process information and perform tasks. By combining different instructions, programmers create complex programs that power everything from your smartphone to self-driving cars. So, just like a set of directions can lead you to your destination, code guides computers to bring our digital ideas to life. Remember those recipes we talked about? Coding is very similar. Let's say you're making a cake. You have your ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs, and your recipe, which tells you how to combine them. In coding, the ingredients are data, which can be anything from text and numbers to images and sounds. The recipe is your code, which tells the computer how to process that data to create something new. For example, imagine you're building a simple website. Your code might tell the computer to display a welcome message, show some pictures, and create buttons for users to click. Just like following a recipe step by step, the computer follows your code to create the final product. And just like you can experiment with different ingredients and recipes in the kitchen, you can experiment with different code and data to create amazing digital experiences. Coding is everywhere in our digital world. It's the driving force behind your favorite apps, websites, and even video games. When you use social media, play a game, or even check the weather on your phone, you're interacting with code. Think about a music streaming app. The app's code tells the computer how to store millions of songs, how to let you search for your favorite artists, and how to play the music through your headphones. It's all made possible by lines of code that tell the app exactly what to do. The same goes for websites. Every time you visit a website, your computer is reading and interpreting code to display the images, text, and videos you see on the page. Without code, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, you're surrounded by the results of coding. It's the invisible force that powers our digital lives. Coding isn't just about building apps and websites, it's a powerful tool for solving problems. At its core, coding is about breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This problem-solving aspect of coding is what makes it so valuable. Whether you're a scientist analyzing data, an artist creating digital art, or an entrepreneur launching a new business, coding can help you achieve your goals. For example, doctors use code to analyze medical images and develop new treatments. Farmers use code to monitor crops and optimize irrigation systems. Teachers use code to create interactive learning experiences for their students. Learning to code is like gaining a superpower that lets you solve problems and make a real difference in the world. The world is changing faster than ever, and technology is at the forefront of this change. Coding is the language of this technological revolution, and those who know how to code will be the ones shaping our future. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to virtual reality and self-driving cars, the possibilities are endless for those who can code. By learning to code, you're not just learning a technical skill, you're opening doors to a world of opportunity and innovation. Imagine creating an app that helps people learn a new language, designing a video game that teaches kids about climate change, or developing a website that connects volunteers with local charities. With code, you can turn your ideas into reality and make a positive impact on the world. Coding might seem intimidating at first, but remember, every expert programmer was once a beginner. The most important step is to simply start learning. There are countless resources available online and in libraries to help you get started, many of them free. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your errors. Coding is all about trial and error, and the more you practice, the better you'll become. Remember that coding is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn and explore in the world of coding. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step and start coding your future today.